Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time we're gonna start off differently, or yeah, I have broken my car. So yeah, we're gonna tow my car to the workshop, and yeah, we can speak more there. Hello. Oh, it hurts so bad. The whole car is like, I don't want this anymore. Yeah, so I broke my drive shaft again. This is my 6th time I broke. Yeah, I'm broke. No, but I have broken 6. And last time I tried to shorten the drive shaft, which I did a TikTok, and yeah, it's coming right here. Yeah, so that was how I did that. I actually thought it would work, but as you saw earlier, it didn't. So I'm gonna change the drive shaft to a new one, and later in this video we're gonna race the car. I have no, not the car. Oh, of course not the car. The engine itself. So I have raised the engine 11 millimeters before, but as you see, it's not enough. So me and my dad is going to make some brackets or distance. Yeah, some. So we get the engine higher, because now it's the maximum with only some washers. So we're gonna have to make, yeah, probably like 4 or 5 centimeters high, because when the car is lowering, the drive shaft angle itself is raising. Yeah, so it's flat, more like that, but yeah, so the angle itself gets wrong. It should be like something like that, and now it's like that. So when we higher the engine, it's gonna get back the old angle on the drive shaft. But if we raise the engine more, I'm probably going to fix the engine harness and shorten it, and yeah, we will see later in the video how much I have to modify around the engine with fuel lines and harness and exhaust, intercooling pipes and all that. So hopefully I don't have to do that, but we will see later in the video how much I have to do. And let's get to change that drive shaft. Well, that explains why it isn't driving. So yeah, let's change that. Let's change that shit, because it's shit. Kevin is shit. You have to get that in the video. Yeah, so time to put the drive shaft in, the new one or better used one. So yeah. So yeah, that's all for today, and we're going to flip it forward. I don't know how, when, but for you it's only gonna be seconds. But yeah, so we're gonna make the distance for the engine. So well, finally some snow, and the winter time is really picking up in Sweden. So I'm so happy about that. Yeah, but as you know, we're going to lay some brackets, and yeah. Yeah, so we are back at the workshop. And we're back at the workshop. And we are back at the workshop. As I
We're back!
Du kör lite inlevelse.
Jag bara så här, och sen lägger jag till en explosion i hörnet.
Nej, vi gör så. Och så ja. And we are back.
Ja, det blir nog bra.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
One eternity later.
Sätt på den här skiten nu. Kör vi riktigt. And we are back at the workshop. And as I said earlier, I'm going to explain what I was thinking, or how I designed them, or yeah, something like that. The engine itself has 3 mounts, and as you see here, there are 8 brackets, or 4 that are adjustable. So the front and rear mount have threads in them, so I'm going to screw them on the mount itself. And on the right side there is a flat mount, so there are just some distance, and we're going to use longer bolts. And the stuff, why I can lower it or raise it even more is I'm going to try 50 millimeters first, and then if the engine itself hits the hood, I can take off 15 millimeters, and we're only going to raise the engine 35 millimeters. So yeah, that's about it, and hopefully you're going to understand, or when we're mounting them, why we did as we did. So time to mount them.
I have an old saying from a guru named Anton, and he said, racing a car is not an option.
Exactly. And that's how it is.
What are you racing today?
I'm racing the engine so I can go lower. That's the point with the whole thing. And yeah, lower a car is a better car. And as you see here, as I talked early in the video, that I have raised the engine with washers. So yeah, these are going to replace them. You have to show them. So yeah, those are going under there. Yeah, so we raised the car 35 millimeters just because I didn't want to make all the other changes. So we're gonna start with 35. But the first problem is I can't even... so it's hitting the engine mount before I even get to... So I'm gonna cut out that part of the engine mount and test it from there.
And remember, the safety glasses is #1 priority.
Seems like it took a little bit longer to adjust it. I think Anton is a little bit late. Are you done?
Satan. Ja. Jävlar vad tajt den var. Den är dragen den.
It's tight.
Yeah, it's tight. We're almost done. We're gonna mount the air filter box, the rim, and
The dick.
yeah, the dick itself is standing there. No, but yeah, we're almost done. So it seems that everything is okay. It's just a little bit it's too short, like, but like the engine harness and the exhaust seems pretty okay. I can shut the hood and yeah. So I think it's well, we don't know if it doesn't break any axles or drive shaft, but
we'll see.
Yeah, we will see.
We'll see.
So dirty. You are dirty.
You are dirty. You dirty bastard. Det var lite nära. Now you are a little bit too close, my friend.
And we are done for this video. And hopefully I don't have to change drive shaft anymore. To find out if this works, make sure to subscribe, because we're gonna update you guys on the car itself and other cars. So have a great day and tune in next time.